Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Timmy speaking. It's really great to have you guys. I hope you're doing well and you're keeping safe as well. That's great. I'm also doing well as well. Thank you very much for asking. Right, okay, it's really great to have you guys. Today we're going to be doing a product review, which is part of what we'll be doing on Glow Sync, and we are reviewing a garden furniture that we purchased from Wayfair. So the whole reason behind this review basically is to show you how this product looks like, how easy it was to put together, and obviously we will also include some pros and cons of this product, just to kind of give you an idea if you've been thinking of getting one, which might help you to decide if you want something similar or something completely different. So this furniture is the Goodnight 9-seater dining set from the Nova brand. And the pieces included are one right-hand sofa, one left-hand sofa, 3 footstools and 1 dining table, which also comes with the cushions, and the table also comes with a glass top that has great suction. The reason we purchased this brand was because it was made from PE synthetic rattan weave, which is fully weatherproof, and with the kind of weather we have in the UK, it can't be left outside all year round, which is a great bonus. Putting the sofa together was quite straightforward, and although the instructions weren't very great, which I think is a con for us, but regardless we were able to put the sofa together without much problem. Another con for us was obviously trying to secure the table together. The table came with an Allen key, and because of the corners are quite awkward to reach, we spent quite a lot of time trying to obviously fix it together, which was a bit annoying actually, but eventually we got there in the end, and the instructions weren't very clear, so that's a con that I don't like. But aside from that, the table is very versatile, very easy to use, and also a multi-purpose table, because it's a heritage table that's adjustable to form a low coffee table, ideal for relaxing, or a casual table ideal for dining. Can be adjusted in a few simple motions and is perfect for multi-purpose use.
Now making me moody. In the deep woods, alone with my fields, spend too much time.
Another pro for us about this sofa would be how lightweight it is. I mean, just lifting it up in order to be able to put the armrest in was very, very easy for just one person to do. So obviously if you're buying the sofa, it's easy for one person to put it together, so just that just required you to just click the armrest in, and that's that. So I really like the sofa. To be honest, I was slightly worried because I felt like if it was this lightweight it would break easily, with obviously our children enjoy jumping on the sofa. I was a bit worried that it might not last, but to be honest with you, it is very durable and very easy, and you can see my husband was able to lift it up and just click the right hand sofa and the left hand sofa together, easy peasy. And that's that, guys, and that was really straightforward. Really great sofa, and this has changed the whole obviously outlook of our garden. Really beautiful sofa. Another pro that we have is, whilst the cushions are not fully weatherproof, they will survive a light shower and can be cleaned easily should spills occur. And if you have children, again, you know that spills always occur, so it's a great thing that we know that we can always wipe it clean, and obviously just kind of make sure that it doesn't have too much stain. So that's a big pro for us as well. I'll just touch a bit about the sunbrella that we got. This is actually a sunbrella brand, and we picked that up from Costco, and it's an 11 feet tall sunbrella that can rotate 360 degrees, and it's fitted with solar panels with great lights as well. Also, not forgetting the 3 footstools that comes with the set. Obviously it can double up as extra sitting if you have a family, or if you're having a large get together. So I think that's a really nice touch to this set. And that's the glass that goes on top of the dining table, which is amazing because it has suctions on the four sides that has a really strong grip, and it's not going anywhere. So I think that's a great touch as well to that.
Not getting over it.
And that brings us to the end of this review, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. And this is not a sponsored video or anything. We just wanted to show you how amazing this garden sofa is. And if you've been thinking of getting one, obviously this is a motivation for you to go and grab one and obviously beautify your garden and enjoy your summer. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and to comment, and if you're new on this channel, don't forget to also subscribe and click the notification button so that the next time we post our video you'll be notified. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.